on the beat, boy.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon. If this is your first time seeing me, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get on with the video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a thrift slash try on haul, as you can see by the title. I am really big on thrifting. I go to the thrift store all the time because I believe that it's not about what you wear, it's about how you wear it, because you can be dripped in designer and look like shit, whereas you can go to Walmart and be flossy as hell. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. Well, this video is gonna kind of be like aesthetic-y. I don't know, but I'm trying to make this look dope as hell. So if you guys are interested in seeing what the hell I gotta wear and what I'm putting on, make sure you stick around. Like I said before, like, subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Most of the stuff we're gonna be going through right now is gonna be jackets. I'm starting with jackets, go to shirts, then go to pants. The first thing I have is this army jacket. That's what I'm gonna call it. And I got this from the thrift store like not that long ago, probably like 2 years ago. Most of the stuff I do get, I keep for a really long time. I don't really wear it that often. I wear it like once in a lifetime because I don't really like camo for some reason. It's kind of like big fitting, and it's like once you get stuff from the thrift store, you can't really return it. But this was probably like $3.99, so yeah, good luck. Now, second thing I got from the thrift store is this Atlantis jean jacket, which is my favorite. I love this so fucking much. This was like, I think like $3 too. It's like $3.99. It's really thick. It's kind of oversized. I like most of my clothes is oversized, but this is an oversized jacket. It was in really good condition too, and you can wear it with like, let's say, I mostly wear it with shirts, but when like winter time comes, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be in fucking like jackets and everything like that. But yeah. Next thing is this fucking bubble coat. This shit right here, this was my top. Like, I seen this, I got this like last summer. No, I got it the summer that just passed. And I got it because I was like, I couldn't pass on it. This was $6.49 actually. And I got this from the Salvation Army. It's reversible, you know, you can wear it on the blue side, wear it on the red side. This shit is tough. Like, this is tough. Like, this is what you call a good pickup. This right here was fucking amazing. Next thing I have is this Virginia, I don't even know what to call these. I always call them like pullovers. This Virginia pullover, I'm from Virginia, so got this blue starter Virginia pullover. This is nice. I only wore this. I used to wear this a lot, but I don't really wear it anymore because I don't really have anything orange, and I feel like, I don't know, like I don't own not a single thing orange. I don't know why. Orange is not my color. But yeah, this was like $2.99, $2. Next thing I have is this black bubble coat. I don't really wear this either. Well, I tried it on recently and I never realized how big it was. When I first got it, I guess I was like, oh shit, I got bubble coat. I used to wear it all the time, but it's kind of like really big, and I probably won't really wear it that much this year, but because it's like way too big. I don't know what I was doing before, but yeah, this was a good buy too. This is probably like $6 because most of the jackets from thrift store are like $6, something like that. But yeah, this was a good buy too. No, this was $3.99. This was $3.99. Yeah, but that was a good buy too. I really like that. Next thing I got is this Baja hoodie. This did not come with the ropes. I put the ropes in there myself because I didn't like how big it was, because this is really big too. This is oversized, which I like the clothes oversized, but this was just too big, and it kind of was oversized. And I pinned the sleeves up too because they were way too long, but this was a good buy too. I used to wear this all the fucking time. I think like sophomore year, this was like one of my faves, one of my top picks. Well, it was like a staple in my clothes. Like, I really like that. Last jacket I have is this Army, what is it? This Army windbreaker. I love this so much. I used to wear this shit all the time. This was so fucking sexy to me. It came with like pants to match it, but I sold the pants, so. But yeah, this is a staple too. I really fuck with this because it's really nice. I really like the way it looks on me, and it's like really nice fitting. But yeah, this is from the store. I don't know how much this was. I can't remember, but it was a good buy. That's all we have for Jack. So now we're gonna move on to the shirts. Most of the shirts I have are really random, and I don't even wear half of them, but I just get them, and I want to show you guys because you know that's what this video is. First thing I got from the thrift store is this Tommy Jeans crew neck shirt. I seen this and I fucking had to get it. I was like, this shit's probably gonna look sexy, so I got it. This is kind of oversized too. When I first got it, I wore it a lot, but now I don't really like the way it looks on me for some reason. Maybe because I wore it too much, but yeah, this was a good pick too. This was like $1.99. Next thing I have is this Tommy athletic V-neck type shirt. This is really big, but I mostly tuck it in, and sometimes I wear it with like, most I wear some black jeans, but this is really nice. It's probably $1.99, so I got them all from the Salvation Army. So Another thing I got is this other Tommy jeans shirt. This is a V-neck too. This is kind of oversized. I don't ever really wear this one because I don't really like the way it fits. but this was $1.99 too, and that's why I had to get them because they were all top picks. But I might put them on my Depop, so if you guys want to buy something from me on Depop, you know, click the link in the bio, and yeah, buy something. Next thing I got from the Salvation Army is this USMA turtleneck type pullover type thing. I don't even know what this is. I haven't worn it yet because I just got it for like this school year, but this was the text I wanted. This was $4.99. I don't know why I paid $4.99 for this, but yeah, it was $4.99. I like the way it fits. It's really thick too, so like when winter time comes, this is gonna be like a really good pick to wear. So you bitches better watch out for it. Next thing I have is this blue and tan type button up. I really like this too. I mostly wear like Chelsea boots or some shorts. I always tuck one side in. That's what I like to do with my button up shirts. I like to tuck in one side and leave the other side tucked out. Like that's a double sale, and I used to wear it unbuttoned. This was like $1.99 from Goodwill probably. And yeah, this is really sexy. Next thing we got from the thrift store is this Tommy crew neck that's red and blue, and this was really nice. I used to wear it when I first got it, but it's kind of small and I like my clothes to be a little oversized because I don't know, it's just my thing. I like really like oversized shirts and like small pants. I don't know. But yeah, this feels really good when it's on. It's really warm. So yeah, this is the top thing. This is probably like $2.99. And the last shirt I got from the thrift store is this. I don't even know what this is, honestly. I only wore it once since I got it. I don't know why, but this is oversized. I kind of like that, but I don't know. Something is just, I think the sleeves are too long for me or something, but this is like $1.99 from the Salvation Army. And that is all we have for the shirts. Next thing we're moving on to is the pants. First pair of pants I got from the thrift store are these dad jeans. They're that raw type denim. I did customize these myself. I sewed them up to make them fit my size because they were like super big, so I slimmed up the legs. I hemmed the bottoms and distressed them, and I put a hole and had some safety pins to give it like some style. I really like these. I kind of got them during the summer, so I couldn't like wear them like I wanted to. But bitch, I was putting these shits on for anything that I could. But yeah, these are really nice. I recommend like upcycling. Like if you get something you don't really like, you know, you can get it, customize it, change it, sew it up, do whatever you want to do. But yeah, these are one of my top picks too. These are probably like $3.99 from Goodwill. Next thing I got from the thrift store are these red type moon pants. I don't even know what these is, but the bottom, like, let me see if I can get this up. The bottom folds up and makes like, damn, okay. The bottom folds up and makes like this scrunchy type, jogger type bottom. I don't know, but these are really nice. I haven't worn them because I just got them from the store. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna wear them. Probably wear them with like my Air Maxes or something. But I want to say these are nice, but I haven't worn them yet to like figure out like what I could do with them. But yeah, these are really the shits. I got them like they were like cool as fuck. But yeah, these are like $3.99 from Salvation Army. Next thing I got from the thrift store are these Champion button-down track pants. I call them swoosh pants, but I feel like track pants is what most people call them. These were really nice. I seen these. I was like, I wanted a pair so bad, but they're kind of really loose fitting. So I'm gonna sew up the middle so that they can like fit me more to my size, and then I'm gonna pull these bitches out. But yeah, they fit good around the waist. The legs are just too wide and too loose, but I can't wait to wear these. And these are from Salvation Army, and these were $5.99. I can't believe I paid $5.99 for these. But yeah, these are really nice and tough. So yeah. Next pair of pants we have are these olive blue, not olive blue, what the fuck? These navy blue Nike track pants, like the other kind. They're the exact same color, but I wanted both pair for some reason. I don't know why. But I got these from the Salvation Army also. I've worn these already, but I haven't worn them to school yet. I can't wait to see these out when it gets like colder, some football games or something. But yeah, these were like $2.99. Nah, the way them other pants were priced, they were like $5.99 too. I'm not even gonna kick it. Last thing I got from the thrift store are these denim dad shorts. Okay, when I got these, I fucking love these so much. These are so nice. They fit good. They stop like a little above your knee, like they're those short shorts. You know what I'm saying? And I wore these on the first day of school. I got them like in the beginning of the summer though, but these are so tough and I really like these. But yeah, these are probably like $2.99 from Goodwill. That is all for this thrift haul / try on haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Like I said, my Depop will be in the description below. I might try to sell like most of the stuff, not most of it, but some of it. So if you're interested in trying to buy anything, you know, check out my Depop in the description. I said I was gonna be more consistent, but my phone had broken since I'm recording like on my phone. That didn't work out. But yeah, I'm gonna try to have more videos uploaded. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should make, what video ideas, anything. Like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys liked the video.